Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a simple present tense quiz. If you haven't watched part 1 to 5, make sure you do. I'll link it down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. What time dash the train leave? The correct option is does. What time does the train leave? Question 2. Where dash she live? The correct option is does. Where does she live? Question 3. Where dash they play football? The correct option is do. Where do they play football? Question 4. When dash your father go to work? The correct option is does. When does your father go to work? Question 5. What color dash your eyes? The correct option is are. What color are your eyes? Question 6. Who dash your teacher? The correct option is. Who is your teacher? Question 7. Where dash my keys? The correct option is are. Where are my keys? Question 8. What time dash the shop open? The correct option is does. What time does the shop open? Question 9. Why dash you always late? The correct option is are. Why are you always late? Question 10. What dash your favorite food? The correct option is. What is your favorite food? Question 11. Where dash your friends now? The correct option is are. Where are your friends now? Question 12. When dash she usually wake up? The correct option is Does. When does she usually wake up? Question 13. Who dash your best friend? The correct option is is. Who is your best friend? Question 14. Where dash they usually go on weekends? The correct option is do. Where do they usually go on weekends? Question 15. Why dash the baby cry so much? The correct option is does. Why does the baby cry so much? Question 16. What time dash it now? The correct option is is. What time is it now? Question 17. How old dash you? The correct option is are. How old are you? Question 18. Who dash your favorite singer? The correct option is is. Who is your favorite singer? Question 19. Where dash we go for the picnic? The correct option is do. Where do we go for the picnic? Question 20. What dash your parents do? The correct option is do. What do your parents do? That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.